The wealthy were never smarter than you. They just learned a few quiet rules nobody bothered to teach the rest of us. I'm Monty. For 40 years I've watched how real money actually moves. Not the hype, the truth. And this channel is where I hand it over, one secret at a time. And this is Junior. He starts right where most people do. A few $100, a little behind, and no idea the game even had rules. In every video, Junior tries what the wealthy actually do, so you get to watch it work before you ever risk a cent. In the shorts, I'll hand you one real money secret in under a minute. In the longer videos, we go deeper. The top credit cards, brokers, and investments of the year, explained simply and ranked honestly. Here's my promise. Every secret here is real. Named sources, honest numbers, no get-rich-quick noise. If something only sounds good, I'll be the first to tell you. Trust is the entire point. So if you want to build real wealth without the guru hype, you're in the right place. Subscribe, and you'll never miss a secret. Like the ones that land, it tells me which doors to open next. The rules really are simple. Most people just never get shown them. Let's change that. Starting now.